Hey guys, Mark here doing another review. Had someone contact me and ask if this was legit. Now, it's legit because, but the thing is, this guy's taking free indicators and trying to sell them. So, if you're interested in this, I might just play a little bit of it so you can understand it.
Orange arrow should appear.
Right, this is just the
The
moving
candle
average,
color
the
should be
coloured
red.
moving average. These are Heikin-Ashi
The 10 direction
candles.
line must be orange.
And the arrows are just
If
rubbish
all these
arrows
three
anyway.
rules are again satisfied, we enter
Hang on.
into a
The arrows are not really relevant anyway because you don't need them, but there's plenty of different arrows on the internet you can find if you really want to use them. He doesn't talk about whether or not they're repainting or not, and this thing over here is really irrelevant to what he's doing here anyway, okay? He's just whacked this on here just to make it look a bit better than it really is. So all you got to be doing with this is concentrate on when price drops below the moving average. Okay, you want a red candle with a flat bottom on the Heikin-Ashi, and you can take a sell, right? I would suggest that as soon as the candles start getting smaller with wicks on both ends, you get out, or you wait for the color change, or you wait for the color change on the fast MA line here, right? I actually commented on this post that I could build this indicator inside 2 minutes, which I did. I don't use it myself, but I'm just saying that to people, if you really want to trade this, it will work. As you can see, if you concentrate on the color change of the fast MA or the MA line, the simple moving average line, a whole moving average, there's all sorts of different names for these things. They're on the internet, they're free, it's not a hard thing to find. Heikin-Ashi candles are easy to find, and basically what you do with this system is if it's green, you're looking for a call arrow or a white or whatever color you decide to make the candles that go up. You're looking for it to be on the other side of that green line, and you want a white bottom, which will be this candle here, and you might go for 10 pips or something, okay? Vice versa, you want the color change for sell. So then you were looking for a price to be underneath this line, and you want a flat bottom, same difference. Okay, you don't really need the arrows. That, to me, is pretty simple, straightforward trading. It does work. Sometimes it might catch you out. I mean, like on this one here, if you waited on to this one here, and you were trying to get more than, say, 5 pips, you probably would have got caught. The thing is that I will say, with Forex trading, try not to be greedy if possible. Just try and take small pips so you don't get like taken out. I mean, if you got this trade here, you waited for it to cross over, right? You probably shouldn't have taken it anyway because the line's not saying green. But if you just wanted to use that as a example, you would have got in on this candle here. No, actually, you would have got on this candle here, and you might have scraped 5 pips, but as I said, the line is not green, so you wouldn't have taken it. You would have waited for this one here, and once that come in, you would have taken this one and got some pips because of the line being red. But you don't need the arrows, but there's plenty of arrows out there if you want to try and find them. There's nothing to say that these arrows aren't non-repainting anyway. He doesn't say it in his video, but I just wanted to put that one out there because I've had an inquiry about it, and my review is it's a legit way to trade, but you don't need to pay this guy for it. It's a very simple, straightforward thing, and you can find every single one of these indicators free on the internet. Okay,